to this vlog, everybody. Starting off right here now in our bedroom because we are going to clean the sheets.
Hello, fight. Oh, hi, bro.
Hello. I haven't vlogged in a minute, you guys. I feel bad I didn't vlog over 4th of July, but there was just so much going on. We were very social. Yesterday was the 4th of July. Today's the 5th. And, oh no. Okay, so good thing we're cleaning the sheets. I just want to lay with it. It was such a long day, but so much fun. We hung out with our neighbors, drank too much, and all the things. I'm just feeling tired.
It was fun.
It was so fun. And I need to get my life together in this vlog. And we're going to start.
Back to work.
We're going to start with cleaning the sheets because I feel like
That's a good start.
always a good, fresh start. Especially now that we got muddy paws on here. Next on the order of business is giving Brody his medicine that we give him once a month. I think we always end up doing it around the 5th, since it's July 5th. We're like, oh, Brody medicine time. Yeah, and it's a trio. Okay, perfect. It's a trio, so it's heartworm, flea, and tick all in one.
Tick, heart,
prevention, of course.
Roundworms, hookworm.
There you go. And he used to do Heart Guard and Next Guard, and then he stopped taking them. And they were like little chewables, so now we do the pills. And are you cutting in half? Do we always do that? And we got the pill pockets, and it's gonna be so good. Can you sit? Brody, sit. I get you pill pocket. Boy.
What should we do? Cheese.
Yeah, he's been liking the cheese. Guys, we gave him medicine we got from the vet. Update on that for 4th of July. Since he's been so scared of fireworks and thunderstorms. And it actually helped so much. I could tell he was just so relaxed. And the vet just prescribed him like a gabapentin, tredazone, something. I'm saying that wrong. It was like both together. And it helped him a lot. So yes, he's been having lots of pill pockets and cheese around all these pills he's been getting. Look at
Gabapentin and trazodone.
Yeah, that's what his
nosy and want to know.
Yeah. Yeah. This is how we do it. Brody, sit. Do we always cut it into quarters?
I feel like we've done halves before, but the quarters work good.
He eats the pill pocket around
Okay, sit.
the pill. Yes.
Spin. Sit. Down. Sit. 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 Where'd it come?
A moment of training.
Chew, 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 chew. Wow, delicious.
Because sometimes he spits out the pill if he chews the pill pocket off.
4 more times.
And we have to show you guys that we do the Gretchen pill pockets. I think Max's sister was the one that told us about these. She saw them and was like, this will be so good for when Brody hates taking his pills. So yeah, you like fit the pill inside a little pocket and squish it around it, and it's really helpful if you guys have dogs that don't like taking their pills. It's just always a whole thing when we have to do this. I also have to warn you guys, I feel like I sound low energy and I'm talking kind of slow in this vlog because I am low energy. But it still means I have to do things and get my life together. And I wanted to say, because I don't think I vlogged when we were at Beachcomber the other day, and I got a big new cozy Beachcomber tee, and it's this purple color. I feel like they have a light pink, which I wanted, but they were sold out of it. A light pink and a purple this summer, and isn't it so fun? This is my like everyday cozy fit for the Cape. Very cash. It looks like PJs. Probably will end up being my PJs. Okay. Now, if you guys recall, at the end of my last vlog, I started doing this in this way in over my head. Eye boogers. So, we just took out a lot of the blue marbles, but then we figured that we might as well leave some in the bottom and then just do that over top. And I don't think we'll have enough, but I just ordered more on Amazon.
Let's do it.
Should we just pour it? Yeah, we definitely need more. Do you think the 2 more bags I ordered is enough? Probably. Maybe we need 3.
3 total or 3 more?
3 more. If we can start with this.
I think 3 total should be good, because that's already 1 right there.
Yeah, true.
And then 1 more, and then 1 little more on top.
Okay, is this gonna look like way better? Do we like it? The blue is probably fine. I think it almost started growing on me, like it bothered me more at
It
first.
looks better at night when it's lit, the blue.
Yeah.
It doesn't look as bad.
Like during the day it's kind of like eh, but at night it's like pretty. I know, this will be good too.
Then my dad suggested getting a glass at Birdie's house. They had it. It's like just like a glass kind of thing like this, so it doesn't like blow the fire, like the flame.
Oh, like in the wind?
Yeah, you don't need it, but
that's smart. Thought you were gonna say a cover for it.
no.
Because I feel like there's so much like dirt and leaves and dead bugs and stuff. That's just like how it is. Okay. There's that.
Great.
In progress. So, you saw us cooking, date night, dinner date. Yeah.
Yep, you guys saw it all right.
Words are so hard at this morning. Just sleepy. Cracked, my favorite. Limoncello's helped her.
Oh, where'd you find them?
In the fridge.
When we get them?
I think I must have gone at like Target because they were sold out at Whole Foods, weren't they?
Well, maybe when you went with
Daytime. I think so. Okay, so Brody's eating too. I don't want to show you because it looks sad. It's a little burnt. The Brussels I like making like this. The chicken normally isn't like this, and I should have checked on it earlier. But I swear I think we did really big ones in the air fryer before,
Yeah,
and it took like over 30 minutes. So these I checked at 30 minutes, and they were like lacking. But and you can tell we did. Please don't go off how this looks. I swear it'll still be good anyway. Hopefully, and how I normally make it, it's like chicken breast with like olive oil, salt, pepper, seasoning. Cut it up.
You can blame me.
And
I didn't make the slits big enough to get the spinach in.
No, it's fine. And the spinach and feta, you cook on the stovetop for a second, just like melt it all together, and you stuff in the chicken, and it's so yummy. And these are like maple balsamic glaze crispy Brussels sprouts. So yummy.
It's still very delicious.
Max has some leftover rice. Maybe I'll steal some of that. This looks the same as the chicken. I can't even tell the difference. It's all just black. But it'll still be so good. Don't cook it as long as we did. And you guys should try because I love it. Good morning, you guys. It's the next morning. I have to apologize for my very low energy yesterday. I shouldn't have even like started the vlog. But also, you know, they're hold me accountable. I gotta like get my life together a little bit. Do some laundry. I did a lot of planning, which I didn't even show you guys. I was like barely documenting. I was like, I need to just carry on them tomorrow because I felt like I was talking in slow-mo and making no sense. You just know when you're really exhausted. So yes, I planned out more of my schedule for July, stuff like that. Broke another nail. Like, these are so horrible. Don't worry, I'm gonna go get them fixed ASAP because like, no, so bad. But yeah, we're doing better. I had the best night of sleep. I'm feeling like revitalized and energized. So I'm doing a lot better. And this set, I guess I can tell you guys because I literally just opened up. I think it's so cute. And I think this is also putting me in a good mood this morning. Nothing is better than like a fresh workout set. So shout out Susie B. I love movement. I love their pieces so much. Love you, Susie. Because like, look at this, how cute it is. When I saw this new color come in, I was like, look at her. And this actually, I love the style of this top. It has like a skinny strap that goes right here, but I kind of like the one shoulder, so I just tucked it in. I don't know, like, what do we think? So fun, right? And this color, we love like the magical biker shorts, the style of all of this. But yes, I just walked Brody, had a little yogurt granola fruit moment, and we're getting after it. I'm gonna go, actually I gotta figure out the order of what I'm doing. I need to get the nails done, I need to go to the gym, and I think it's actually gonna depend on when the nail salon can take me. So if they can take me right now, I'll do that first and then I'll go to the gym. But like, if I need to kill an hour before they can get me in, then I'll go to the gym first, if that makes sense. So you guys will see what I end up doing. But it's a perfect time to shout out, sponsor this video, literally the perfect time. If you were just listening to everything I was talking about, I'm feeling revitalized, rejuvenated, rejuvenated, very well rested, and mostly it's thanks to Beam. If you guys have never tried their Dream Powder, mwah, chef's kisses. If you guys remember, I first tried this in the winter in Allentown in my apartment. I got it in the mail and was like, ooh, this seems really good. Like, I've heard of this before. I need to try this because I have such a hard time getting good quality sleep. Falling asleep really is my main thing, like getting calm enough and relaxed enough to fall asleep, then also staying asleep, feeling well rested in the morning, everything like that. And this helps all of those concerns. Literally addresses all of my concerns, okay? This is my favorite one. It's the cinnamon cocoa flavor, but they actually have 6 different flavors. I'm gonna insert the footage from last night when I took this. Like I said, I was so low energy. I couldn't even like speak to you guys last night. I'm like, I'm just gonna explain this better in the morning when I have some energy. You can do 1 to 2 scoops in like hot water, hot milk. I just like heating up water, and it tastes like yummy, delicious hot cocoa. And basically, I'm gonna read off the supplement pack so I can tell you exactly what's in it. So it has magnesium, which is really good at like calming you down, helping you stay asleep. I feel like everyone that talks about getting better quality sleep recommends magnesium. Reishi mushroom extract. I've also tried stuff like that before. That's really good, like calming. L-theanine really is what I think personally helps me slow down and relax. And I notice such a difference when I take this. I immediately just feel zen and calm, and it like slows down my thoughts, and it's so nice because that's my main issue, I believe, with falling asleep is I'm like go 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 go. I always have 1,000 thoughts running in my brain at a time. So when it's time to slow down and go to bed at night, my brain's still running and I can't slow down, and it makes me not be able to relax and fall asleep because I'm like, well, I'm thinking of the 100 million things that I didn't get to do today and the other things I have to do tomorrow. So it really like slows me down and is like, Gretchen, pause. You need to go to bed. Also has CBD, melatonin. Those are also very calming, help with sleep, and I feel like just help you feel like good in the morning. I also noticed a difference. I feel like whenever I've taken melatonin in pill form in the past, it really has not helped me like calm down and fall asleep at all. I feel like it puts me into like a deeper sleep, which is nice, but with the combo of all these other things, because when I've taken melatonin on its own, it has me like sometimes feeling groggy in the morning. Maybe I was taking too much and this is like just enough, and also would give me like bad nightmares, bad dreams. Saying this out loud, I definitely was like taking too much, and I would like wake up in the night and feel like all disoriented. None of that happens with this. This is just like the perfect blend of all the things to help you fall asleep quicker, stay asleep, feel well rested in the morning, not feeling groggy. Like, I just couldn't say enough good things about this, you guys. I've been loving it, and I can't wait to try the mint chip and like the other flavors. So I'll have it linked down below. I know if you use my code Gretchen15, that's just Gretchen15, you'll get 35% off your first order when you subscribe, and then 20% off all following orders after that. But there's no risk. You can cancel, pause at any time, and also with your first order with my code Gretchen15, you can get a free frother, which is really nice. You guys saw I just stirred it up with this last night when I'm feeling lazy, but if you really want it to get all blended in there, you can use their frother to like froth it all up. So yes, immune boost, improve mood, skin health, increase energy, improve memory. I relate to all of those things because you guys saw me yesterday when I'm like exhausted trying to like form a sentence. I'm like I'm like so out of it. So yes, gonna recommend it. We'll have this linked down below, and now I'm gonna call the nail salon and see when they can get me in. Okay, it's been a whole thing because I need to like take a minute whenever I get in the car after the gym. I'm like so out of breath. As you can tell, I haven't got my nails done yet. This is so terrifying. I actually drove to the nail place first because I kept calling and I feel like their phone wasn't working, or it was like someone was on the other line, you know? I went there and it was packed, and I was like, no worries. She was like, oh, it might be a little bit of wait. And I was like, why don't I just come back in an hour? I'll go to the gym. She was like, perfect. So I went to the gym. Happy I got that over with. And then we're gonna get my nails done. Because I kept thinking too, I'm like, oh, it's gonna be so nice and sunny today. I wanna like have some time outside. I could always go to the gym in the afternoon. But I know me, and if I don't get it done within the morning, I won't go at all. And it was like, it's been like this like every day on Cape Cod, where it's like dreary and cloudy and like almost foggy, misty, rainy in the morning. And then it always clears up and is sunny in the afternoon. So yeah, I did that. Now I'm gonna do my nails. And I don't know, is anyone else like this? I feel like I always wear cute sets like this at my house, like on my spin bike at home, even in workout classes. But if I'm ever at like a public gym, I always wear a big like oversized t-shirt. I don't know why. Maybe I'm more comfortable at like covers my whole body. I don't know, I feel like I've always been that way. Like if I'm gonna go to the gym by myself, I wear a big t-shirt and like biker shorts or like running shorts. Like I dress differently for different workouts, or workouts in different situations. I don't know. I think of when I was like a kid and I would work out in like a t-shirt and shorts. Like I feel like workout sets weren't a thing yet. I don't know, I like go back to wearing like just like Nike running shorts and like a big t-shirt. Does anyone else do that? But then like in like a spin class, you'll do like a cute set. Anyway, so I threw this over, but I ended up being so hot. I ended up in just this on the treadmill. But I also did the one strap because I was like, I don't want anything to fall out, so I put this on. I don't know though, do you guys like I know this is the style, but I kind of like it tucked in so that it's just like the one shoulder. I don't know. Anyway, time for nails. Just got back home from my nails. Nails are done. I feel like you can never see the color that well like in the car. Very natural light pink. I always do a coat of Funny Bunny and then a coat of Bubble Bath, and I have each on acrylic on my natural nails. We love. So happy these two are fixed. They were so scary looking and dangerous and like sharp. All done. I'm back home and I need a coffee. It's later, but I would say I was pretty successful in this vlog. What I was aiming to do, feeling like I had my life together a little bit more. Just getting organized. Laundry, as you can see. Like we always end up just throwing all the clean laundry like on the couch and just folding it all. So this is what I've been up to. It feels good because we've just been so social and having so many people around. So it makes me neglect like little things here and there that I have to do, like emails, organizing, like my schedule, literally laundry, like everything like that. So we're feeling much better. So I think that's pretty much it for this vlog. I'm gonna end it off here. Again, thank you so much, Beam, for working with me on this video. It literally has helped me so much. I cannot even tell you guys enough. I especially can tell nights when I don't take it and my thoughts are running wild and I just can't like calm myself down enough to go to sleep. I'm like, I should have freaking made my dream cinnamon cocoa drink and it would have helped me so much more. So yeah, if you like really need that, I really recommend you try it out. I think you're gonna love it. So again, that will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.